Make a great choice today with
the 2022 Odyssey. The Honda Odyssey is a showcase of distinguished style, captivating technology, and advanced safety features. A must for all families. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, keyless entry, Bluetooth, leather-wrapped steering wheel, front-wheel drive, trip computer, fog lights, clock. Indulge in luxury and make a statement wherever you go.
With Honda certified pre-owned vehicles, you know you're going to be taken care of. Thorough inspections, both limited and powertrain warranties, all provide the comfort you're looking for in a pre-owned vehicle. Stop by your local Honda dealer today to see why the Honda certified program is worth looking into.